Morning, folks. It is Michael with Vintage Diesel Equipment Service. I'm gonna apologize. There's a generator running in the background on this work site, and there ain't a thing I can do about it. But we're gonna make do. With that said, I usually do this at the end, but I'm gonna have to trouble you folks at the beginning because I've noticed a pattern. It seems that I've got, well, many of you who look at the video, but you're not clicking that subscribe button. If you would, I'd greatly appreciate it. It'd sure help a small channel. With that said, let's get you to the content. Today, we are going to do a top roller on a Bobcat E42 mini excavator. So join along as we get this done. Here we go. I have already had it cleaned out. I used a board and a couple of things I had sitting around to kind of raise the track up some. And now we are just gonna, I think that'll do it. I'm gonna do what I can to make that work. And let me go get my tools. Let's see about what we need. Okay, folks, so essentially you've got a bolt that goes through all the way across, okay? Nut on one side, the head of the bolt on the other. You're gonna find the size that you need, okay? So let's do that now together. Well, that'll be it. I think so. Alright, let's see if the Prius drive ratchet's got enough in it. How about that? Loose. Now, one thing you're going to need to do, by the way, you're going to need to open the door to your track adjuster and just take the track adjuster out. That way you can raise the track up like you see here. Very important. Okay, folks, so what you're gonna do is drive your punch in above it there to separate a little bit, okay? Then you're gonna reach your hammer in back behind it and drive it out, okay? Until it's loose enough that you can pull that by hand, all right? Then, what I'd recommend, just reach up in here with your finger, wipe it out real good, okay? If you got some emery cloth, Might not be a bad idea, but unnecessary probably. And then you're just gonna take your new roller and, well, you're gonna do the obvious thing, right? Right. All right, so let me get that back in there and we'll go from there. Here we go. Okay, everybody, once you have your bolt back in and it's tight, then the roller will be in place. It'll be time to put your track adjuster's arc back in, pump your track back out, get your plate back in position, and that'll have you all wrapped up on this one. So with that said, I'm not going to waste your time with it. Thanks for watching Vintage Diesel Equipment. I sure appreciate you. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to click that like, the subscribe button, the little bell, you get your notifications. Sure helps the channel to grow. I know I said it at first, but maybe if you've hung out this long, maybe you'll do it. Thanks for watching, folks. See you later.